Hello guys, welcome back to Growtopia. I'm Timmy and today we're giving away the tractor. So let's take it. I gotta replace it with the dirt thingy. And so guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment your word name below if you want to win the other prizes. Don't worry, there are a lot more that worth a lot of word locks. The weather machine, the Fiesta Dragon, still there. So let's begin by looking at the price by tractor. So I hope there's a price somewhere. Here I don't see anything. 8 8 to 10 word locks. So I'm giving away to one guy 8 to 10 word locks. Okay, so I'm gonna take the first one because he was the first to subscribe and do the stuff, so he gets a good price. Clan Bro 100. Okay. 100. Wait, where do I donate? Uh, well, okay, guys. Sorry, Clan Bro guy, but I'm gonna give to this guy instead. TSM Turk 2019. Okay, he has donation box. So, the first one, you literally didn't have anything that I could give you. So the item will disappear or someone else will steal from you. So I couldn't give to you. So this guy gets the tractor. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Dear John Tractor, um, it's something that you can ride and cut your farming, help you farm. Yeah. Optional note, tell your friends to subscribe to sub to Timmy and Nat. Okay, so that was the donation of the day. I hope you enjoy. Next time I'm giving away fish tank, so be ready. It's maybe this evening or tomorrow. So yeah, leave your comments. Bye.